Alright guys, what's up? It's your boy Nick here. It's late. I can't sleep. We're looking at some of these Peltier modules here, and this is a single chip. And I've got a giant stack here that I've been QCing. We've got a power supply here, set at a pretty low kind of wattage. And we're just going to QC this chip right here. We're just checking to see if this front face is going to get cold and this back face is going to get hot. Let's see close. 70 for real? Yeah. Anyways, yeah. We can see how. Very, very neat. Instantly switchable. It's provided you have the ability to remove the heat from the chip. So I've always predicted that in the future we're going to be using hundreds, if not thousands, of these chips. And versions of these that are far more efficient. We're kind of fucked until we get there, to be honest with you guys, because solar panels aren't enough. And that's with heating and cooling, and more importantly, really at the end of the day, is energy generation. But yeah, fun topic for another day.